sure you're doing the right thing. And it's very easy to forget. She was just sitting there in the pub with her new friends and her new life and her new hair. And it might have been 5 years, but you'd know just to look at her. I wasn't even sure it was her at first. I was ready to walk away, but she smiled and called me over. We said hello for a bit. When we went back to our tables, we tried not to look over each other. We told our friends to stop staring. I didn't see her for the rest of the night, but by closing time the beers kicked in, so I got up and speak to her and we ended up going for a walk and talking about our new homes, our new jobs, our new friends, and our new bars. She said she's been going out with him now for about 2.5 years, but they don't live together, so he'd never find out. And you think about chasing her about school when you were wee and lying in your bed listening to love songs and pretending they were about you. And the first time you asked her out, she said no. But one night you went to a wedding, and when you came back to the pub, she'd changed her mind. And you went out. You remember the way she swung her arms when she held your hand. You can't remember how she kissed, and now you've got the chance to find out. But you have to remember there's this other kiss, and she's sitting at home wondering where you are, and what you're doing. And you worked hard on this kiss, and you know it inside out, and it's much yours as it is hers. And it took a long time to get right. You took months of practice and months of embarrassment, but then you got it perfected. And you've been looking forward to that kiss all week. You can see her breath in the air between your faces as you stand in the leaves, and she just asks you straight out if you want to come and stay at her flat. But you make sure you get separate taxis, and you go home, and there might be a slight regret, and maybe you'll wonder what you missed, but you have to remember the kiss that you worked so hard on, and you'll know you've done the right thing.